We have news coming in from Bengal. It is the pronouncing of the judgment of the sentence of the convict in the RG car case. The judge has arrived in the courtroom and will be in a short while pronouncing the quantum of punishment in the RG car rape and murder case. The cops have brought the convict Sanjay Roy as well before the judge. He's standing in the witness box now, is what our colleagues on the ground are saying. So he's there in person when the judge will be making the announcement. And Sanjay Roy for the latest on that. Sanjay, go ahead, tell us, because it's 2:45 p.m. The judge, as he has said, is they wanted a bit of time to be able to write down the judgment. What are you picking up? What do you see around you?
Well, Pooja, just a minute back, Sanjay Roy, he was escorted by the cops at that particular room where the sentencing will be happening. The judge has arrived, and okay, so there is some development, and what we do here is that we are trying to understand, what has been the quantum of sentence, and it has been given out, it has been rolled out, but there's some kind of a confusion over here. Lawyers are standing over there on the balcony over here.
Do you see the judge who has started to speak right now, pronouncing the quantum of the punishment? Is the convict also there? Can you confirm in person right now before the judge?
Well, yes,
go ahead.
Pooja, that is what the convict is inside the court as well when the verdict is being rolled out. And we are trying to get a word from our colleagues inside on what has been given as the punishment. Sanjay Roy was taken to court number 201 and 201, and it will take some time to understand what has been given out as the punishment. As we were mentioning since morning, that it's either going to be lifelong imprisonment or it's going to be death penalty. Now, it has to be seen what has been rolled out by Justice Anirban Das in the court. That all right, life is imprisonment till death and a fine of 50,000 rupees.
Okay.
So that has been we can confirm this, that the Sealdah court sentences Sanjay Roy to life imprisonment till death. So it's not death penalty, it's not hanging by death, but it's life imprisonment.
So Sanjay, stay on with me. That's the big news coming in the RG car rape and murder case. Convict Sanjay Roy has been now given life imprisonment, and which basically means life imprisonment till death, and a fine of about 50,000 rupees for the rape and brutal murder of the on-duty doctor at the RG car. The judge has pronounced the death sentence, has pronounced the life imprisonment sentence in this case, and the judge also, that means, has said that maybe this one is not the rarest of the rare, even though of course a case of extreme brutality, and that's why imprisonment till death. All right, we'll go back to Sanjay. Sanjay, my colleague, is on the ground in the court, has confirmed to us that the cops have brought the convict Sanjay Roy before the judge in the witness box, where this quantum of the punishment has been announced by the judge, and the judge in Sealdah court has said life imprisonment and a fine of 50,000 rupees for the rape and murder of the on-duty doctor in the RG car case. The judge has pronounced the sentence. In many ways, remember, while the family, of course, was appealing for a death penalty in the case, but death penalty usually comes in cases which is considered rarest of the rare, and there are, of course, other parameters and evidence as well. While the conviction has happened, the quantum of the punishment, as per the judge, looking at all angles, looking at all evidence, and of course the gruesome nature of the incident as well, has said that it's going to be a life imprisonment and a fine of 50,000 rupees. But remember, it possibly may also mean life imprisonment till death. And we'll try and get more clarity on what exactly has been said by the judge in the court. But closure coming in. It's been a swift case, remember, because in many cases like this one, especially of sexual assault, there could be a delay of several years, and a lot of then turns consistently in the case as well, and delays, as it is said, with the court cases. Suryagini, so you can confirm to us, tell us more. Life imprisonment till death as has been announced and a fine as well.
Well, yes.
Now, it's very interesting because the judge says that because it's the rarest of the rare case, that is the reason why he's giving him imprisonment till life. Till death. So that is something that we can quote of the justice. And the parents, they have gotten emotional and they have said that they don't want any kind of compensation. Over here, what we do understand is that, many had thought, we just try and give you visuals of the veranda. Sanjay Roy might be just, taken from that particular corridor. The judge is leaving. We can see the judge, after giving his verdict, he is leaving right now. And now, maybe, we'll get a glimpse of Sanjay Roy.
Maybe, we'll get a glimpse of Sanjay Roy because he might be taken out from.
Suryagini, yes, we are on the live visuals that you're bringing to us. And can we also say then that means it was a brief sentence that was announced? It didn't take very long, did not delve into too many details, just what the judge felt best as per evidence, as per the case that had followed, and life imprisonment till death it is.
Well, yes, it's life imprisonment till death. And what we do understand is that Sanjay Roy will be escorted out in a very short moment from now. There's huge police bandobast. If I can just show you of the visuals that we are looking at right now, like there's a huge deployment of the police force over here, and Roy might be just taken out to the judicial custody where he will be staying for now. Now, it has to be seen where this follows on from here, where this leads from here. But whether Sanjay, moves the High Court or not, challenging this. But for now, Pooja, as we have been stating, as you mentioned, that it's life imprisonment till death.